Alright, y'all, welcome back. Today we're working with Jazz Star Hair. It's a 100% human hair wig. It comes in a 22-inch in the color 99J, and this is how it looked fresh out of the box. Okay, so the inside of the wig actually comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 at the back. It's a 13x4 frontal wig, so I get to make a part on the side, like a long deep part on the side. And I actually got gifts this time. So this is actually a hair clamp, a hairpin, or whatever you want to call it, and 2 scrunchies. And then it came with its little pamphlet, just basically, telling you how to take care of the wig, how to wash the wig, and trying to get us to rate it so we can get like a coupon or whatever. So being that this hair was actually colored, it did still have like some black knots on the lace. So I just like made a little bit of like a little bleach mix, just to get some of them black dots out. Of course, I only did a little bit because it wasn't that many black dots. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bleaching the middle and then do the edges. I like to do the middle and then the edges first because that's like the main part that you're gonna see from the lace. So we just want to make sure there's no black dots right there. Then the rest of it I just come back and fill it in. It's really not that important because I usually just wear a middle part, but like whatever I got left I just fill in, and then I come back and bleach some of the front of the lace just so it can lift some of that color out of it. It is a little bit brown, so when I rinse it out, like it's gonna lift out and it's gonna be like a transparent. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for like 15 minutes. So this is my natural hair. I recently just did the big chop like in November. I've been transitioning for like 2 years before, so I'm kind of excited about the journey. This is the regular ball cap method. I had already did a video of how I do that, so I'm not going to really explain to y'all exactly, what I did because I have a video already. So I'm going to just kind of speed through this whole process. So my cap kind of started sliding back a little bit because I ended up getting a phone call and I wanted to continue to record for y'all. So I kind of just stopped and chill out while I was on the phone. And my cap actually started sliding back a little bit. Not too much, but it's still covering my edges. So that's why I say it's always best to do too much than not enough. So right here I'm just aligning the wig, just making sure that it covers the cap and making sure that it looks, you know, it's fitting my head right, and seeing where I have to cut, and just seeing, you know, if it's gonna fit well before I start laying the glue down. And of course I use the Ghost Bond glue and the popsicle stick to smear it out. And y'all just gonna see me do one layer, but I actually do 3, but I skipped through the video. Come on. That don't look right. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, I'm always doing something. Like I don't know what my head. I think I was listening, jamming to music too much. I just wasn't paying attention. I'm always doing something crazy. And try to like make sure y'all put the glue in the right spots, because if it's too far down, you're gonna have dried up glue past the lace and it's not gonna look cute at all. So that's why I tried to wipe as much off my forehead. And then like I noticed my wig was still kind of wet, so I would just blow drying a little bit in the bag. And the wig is actually pretty thin. It looked kind of thick right there, only because it was like half air dried, half blow dried or whatever. But once I flat iron it, y'all gonna see how thin it is. So like that's my only like con about this hair, is that it's thin. So later on I'm end up, you know, buying another bundle and just adding it to it. And I probably will make a video of me actually sewing an extra bundle into the wig. Because I actually like thick hair. I don't know. I thought this was like a 150. But it feel like a 130. And it feels thinner than that. But I don't know. So I wasn't sure if I was going to cut it, because the ends looked a little thin as well. Like it was like thick at the top. And then as soon as you get like towards the neck on down, it just got super thin. So of course this is me, you know, going ahead and melting the lace. So while I'm melting the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron, start flat ironing my hair just to kill time. So I like to tie the scarf as tight as possible, just to make sure that the lace is sticking to the glue as flat as possible. Like just making sure it's melting real good. So this is the hot comb I use, Annie. Nothing special, is a plug-in. And the flat iron that I use is a ceramic red. I don't know where I got that flat iron from, but it ain't nothing special either. So the heat protectant that I use is by Garnier. I use the spray all over, and then I use a little bit of serum. Not too much, because if you overdo it, then it's gonna wear your hair out. So this is the difference. One side flat iron, another side not. Like I told you, I don't really do like a super sleek flat iron. Like I like my hair kind of thick, so I don't like it too sleek because it's gonna be like too thin, if that makes sense. Me actually cutting the lace, I like to use the razor instead of the scissors because the razor give it a more of a jagged cut. But just be careful because those razors are sharp, like really, really, really sharp. So just be careful and take your time whenever you're doing it. Yeah, don't mind me. I think I was jamming money bag. So like I told y'all want to make sure that the lace wig is gonna fit around your head, and sometimes it don't. So you actually have to cut through the lace around your ear just so it can fit right, because you don't want your wig to sit on your ear because it's gonna irritate your ear. Like it's not cute either. So just take your time whenever you're cutting around your ear, and some of the hair is gonna come out because you're cutting through the lace front. Like some wigs don't fit exact, so that's why you have to kind of customize the wig to fit your head. So the leftover lace that was like kind of like lifting, that didn't stick to the glue, you just come back with your got to be spray and then come back for like that final meltdown. Unless you're doing baby hairs too, go ahead and tie it up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the other half of my head. Shit! I knew I was gonna fucking burn myself. I'm not good with this hot comb. I swear. Ooh, Lord. I dropped the top of my whip, man. Like, me and that hot comb do not get along at all. So this part I intentionally like was gonna just let me talk right here, but the video turned out to be too long, so I just sped up through it. So I was real life talking to y'all. So basically I was just showing y'all, you know, how versatile the wig is from the side part and how long the side part is. I'm probably gonna come back and pluck an actual side part, or just do the flip over method, and I was just showing y'all right there that it did have some flyaways. So this is actually the next morning. I just decided to do baby hairs, and I just thought it looked a whole lot better, because the no baby hairs, it wasn't working out for me. And right here, y'all, I was literally rushing for work. My alarm went off at like 8:40 something. I was supposed to be to work for 9. Then I already stayed 20 minutes away from work, so like I was late that morning. Like I was so tired. Look at my face. It's still puffy. Like I was trying my best to hurry up and wake up. and try to do my hair and do something with my face. But I was so tired. But I ended up having to like re-flat iron my hair. I was like really rushing. So I was just making myself a little presentable for work. Like, it's a laid back job. Like, what, a t-shirt and jeans. So just a little eyeliner. And I had already did my eyebrows. Nothing special. Little lip gloss, and I called it a day. But this is the final look. So I do thank y'all for watching, and hope to see y'all in my next video.